Good morning, San Luis Obispo. I'm Soren.
And I'm Annie.
And thank you for tuning into the station with the #1 coverage on all things accounting. CPAC Accounting News.
You're probably sitting in your financial accounting class right now, wondering what's the deal with all these debits and credits that your professor keeps going on about. Well, CPAC is here to help you learn more about what accounting is all about.
An accountant's job is to report on the economic conditions of a company so that they can decide how to allocate their resources. To do this, accountants form relationships with employees to get an inside look on what the company actually does.
Well, that's some great info, Soren, but I want to know what an accountant does on the day-to-day. Well, we got Annelise Long live on the scene with the senior partner to tell us what it's all about. Annelise?
Thanks, Annie. I'm here at the Orville College of Business with Kat, a senior partner at a respected accounting firm, and she's going to talk to us a little bit about what it means to be an accountant. Kat?
Well, Lacey, when you go into public accounting, there are 3 different paths. I chose audit. Basically, I look over a company's financial records to see if there are any errors and to check if it's in compliance with GAAP. You get to learn a lot about the company and analyze all of its transactions. It's a great way to start your career and learn a lot.
Wow, thanks, Kat. Next, we're going to hear from a representative from our tax clinic about another path you can take within accounting. Hunter?
Yes, I'm here in the Low-Income Taxpayer Clinic. In tax, we help other people fill out their tax returns, and we solve problems with creative solutions.
That sounds so cool. Now there's one more path you can take within accounting, and that's called advisory. And we've got Megan right here to tell us more about it.
Thank you, Lacey. Well, advisory is just like how it sounds. We give advice to our clients based on their financial statements and help them assess any risks to their company. You don't even need to specialize in accounting to go down this path.
Wow. Well, that's all I've got for us today, folks. Thank you to our awesome representatives for all the information, and I'm going to pass it back over to Soren.
Thanks, Annelise.
In other news, there's a new reality show coming up on the horizon. Have you heard of all the accounting firms that accountants work for, Annie?
I have.
Well, then this show will be right up your alley. Let's take a look.
Coming this summer, the biggest accounting competition the world has ever seen. Firms from all over the nation will get together, duke it out, and see who will claim victory over public accounting. This is The Firms. The contestants are going to have to bring their A game because coming back this year are the reigning champions from last year's season.
Am I worried? No, I'm Deloitte. I did it last year and I'll do it again this year. They know I'm coming.
I'm KPMG and I've been practicing my debits and credits for a while now, so I'm confident that I'll keep my title.
I'm EY and I'm willing to do whatever it takes to win this competition. You better keep an EYE out for me.
What's good? I'm PwC, but my friends call me PWS because I'm going to take a fat dub in this competition and stay in the Big Four.
Each of these Big Four firms has well over 200,000 employees and an international presence, but they'll have to hold their ground against mid-sized and regional public accounting firms.
I am the mid-sized firm. I have around 5,000 employees and a smaller scope of clients than the Big Four.
And we're the regional firms. With 50 to 2,000 employees, we have a tight-knit company culture and form meaningful relationships with our clients. If you work for us, you'll be in charge of most, if not all, of a client's audit.
Which of these firms will rise to the top? Tune in to The Firms on Sundays at 8, 7 Central to find out.
Well, I know what I'll be watching this summer.
Me too. This just in. On the other side of the accounting world, there's industry accounting and governmental accounting. An industry accountant works in the accounting department for a company instead of doing public accounting for them. For example, you'd be doing accounting for, let's say, Google, Apple, or Chevron.
You can also work for the government, doing various jobs, such as being a fraud examiner.
Phew, that was a ton of information. So where should our audience go to begin with all of this?
Well, I know where they can start.
CPAC hosts a fall and winter career fair each year with about 30 firms attending each one. This is a great opportunity to get a summer leadership program, an internship, or a full-time job offer.
CPAC is also a great way to network with firms and learn about future job opportunities within accounting.
CPAC hosts a variety of socials where you can meet fellow accounting classmates.
CPAC also runs a buddy program where you can get paired with an upperclassman student and learn all about their recruiting timeline as well as their experience in the concentration.
There are so many events and opportunities that CPAC holds to help you develop your professional skills, such as resume and interview workshops.
CPAC also has a CPA advisor who can make sure you're on track to get all your units so you're ready to sit for the CPA exam.
CPAC offers many ways to get involved, ranging from board to committee positions.
The accounting concentration also has a near 100% employment rate, with students usually having offers from multiple firms.
We have meetings every Tuesday from 11 to 12 p.m.
Join us for some free food and to hear speakers from various firms.
If you're interested, sign up for a coffee chat with a board member to learn more about the club and concentration.
Well, that's all we've got time for. Once again, I'm Soren.
And I'm Annie.
Thank you for tuning into CPAC Accounting News, and we'll see you next time on Tuesdays at 11.